When you need the optimal combination of print speed, material strength, part quality, and cost effectiveness, there is no other additive technology today that can match selective laser sintering. Here are 7 reasons why you should choose the ProX SLS 6100 from 3D Systems against other technologies such as binder jetting and FDM. Let's go. One, the system features a truly broad range of functional nylon materials, including a cost-effective Nylon 12 for replacing general injection molded parts, available in white and plus suitable for dyeing in a range of very attractive colors. A glass-filled Nylon 12 for enhanced mechanical stability in larger parts. A mineral fiber-filled Nylon 12 for superior stability in hot environments. A mineral aluminium-filled Nylon 12 with a very nice aesthetic metal-like finish, and a range of Nylon 11s for high-impact stability and polypropylene-like characteristics for snap fits and living hinges. 2. Parts printed on the ProX SLS 6100 feature best-in-class surface quality, accuracy, and sharpness. As you can see from parts such as this, where you see no unwanted holes, no divots, and no gaps between the different print layers. 3. SLS parts are sintered at really high temperatures, delivering true production-grade functionality with nearly double the impact resistance and elongation at break compared to alternative Nylon 12 3D printers. 4. SLS delivers the most consistent and repeatable mechanical properties of any technology, particularly when we're talking about the Z height of the parts. That's something where other technologies can be notoriously weak. 5. The ProX SLS 6100 saves you up to 20% on the cost of each part you print. It uses far less consumables, and with the world-class 3D Sprint software taking you seamlessly from file preparation to print, saves you thousands on license fees every single year. 6. SLS is up to 7 times faster than other technologies, with no time wasted on removing supports. The powder handling is fully automated, and the material quality control unit ensures that there's zero worries over powder quality. And 7. The ProX SLS 6100 features a higher packing density and up to 25% larger build volume than alternative similar class systems. All in all, it means that with the ProX SLS 6100, you can now build the industry's strongest, highest quality parts more effectively and more efficiently than ever before.